Don't worry if you feel lost about cybersecurity, just follow along. I assure you, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get started in 2025. First, let's bust the biggest myth. You do not need to know programming to enter cybersecurity. Yes, coding can help later, but in the beginning, it is not a barrier. So if programming has been stopping you, throw that fear away. The real first step is understanding networking. Networking knowledge is very important for you. We've already prepared a playlist on our channel called CompTIA Network Plus, which covers networking concepts. You'll find content from the CompTIA Network Plus certification in that playlist. Things like what a network actually is, what an IP address does, and how the internet works. You can also find this training elsewhere on YouTube, no problem. The important thing is you build a strong base in networking. After that, you need to build your foundations in security. We are already working on a playlist dedicated to the basics of security. It's being built using content from CompTIA Security Plus. That playlist will launch in a few days, and it will cover the essential principles of security that every professional must know. Now, before you choose your career track, there is one exam worth mentioning: ISC2 Certified in Cybersecurity, also known as CC exam. Right now, this exam is free if you register. You'll need to take it on site, but once you pass, it's an excellent addition to your CV and a strong proof of your commitment to cybersecurity. Once you've got the basics, you can choose your path. Do you want to go red team or blue team? Red team means offense, penetration testing, ethical hacking, bug bounty hunting. Blue team is defense, SOC analysts, threat hunters, incident responders. Both sides have highly paid jobs, and both sides are equally respected. It really comes down to personal interest. Some people love the thrill of attacking as part of red team, while others prefer the defensive mindset of blue team. Generally, there are more job roles available on the blue team side, since every organization needs defenders. But both paths can lead to rewarding, high-paying careers. Whichever path you choose, remember, it's not just about skills. Presentation matters. Build a strong CV. Refine your LinkedIn profile. Show recruiters what you've learned, what projects you've done, and the journey you're on. These two small steps can make the difference between getting ignored and getting hired. So that's your roadmap. No programming needed to start. Learn networking basics, get into security foundations, pick red or blue, and polish your professional profile. And here's the most important part. Subscribe to this channel, because this channel is going to teach you everything you need to break into cybersecurity step by step. Give us a like and hit subscribe for more deep dive cybersecurity content. Catch you next time.